I will talk about how can you disable delivery delete notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options here. So then it's going to take you to Expedia. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications, come to Expedia. Then you come here to delivery delete. Then you click here in this sign. We just click on it like you see here, delivery delete. It's disabled with us now here. So in there can you select sounds. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.